Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get verification code in Microsoft Authenticator. In order to do so, the first thing that you need to do is to simply launch your Microsoft Authenticator application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to open your PC or your laptop, and in the search bar you will have to type account.microsoft.com, and then you just have to log in into your Microsoft account with the same account that you have logged in the Microsoft Authenticator application. Now once you have done that and once you are on the home page, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here in the bottom you are going to see the security tab. So over here you will have to click on additional security options. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see the two-step verification option, which will be turned off. So you just have to turn it on. In order to do so, you just have to scroll down, and in the additional security, you will have to click on the option of turn on in the two-step verification. After that, you just have to do nothing but to just click on the next button. Then it will show you that you can set up smartphone with an app password. So you just have to press next. Then press finished, and once done it will show you that the two-step verification is now turned on. If you are using two-step verification for the very first time, then you may be asked to scan a QR code or some other steps. So you just have to follow the instructions that are given on the next page, and you just have to basically turn on the two-step verification. Once done, let me show you how it look like. So if you sign out from your account and if you try to log in into your account again, then instead of password, you will be able to see this prompt which says, in your Microsoft app such as Authenticator or Outlook, approve the request to sign in. So they must have given a pop-up in your Microsoft Authenticator application, or sometimes you are going to get a code in it. So regardless of whichever option you get, if you get a pop-up, then you will have to click on the approve button. But if you get any code, then you will have to click on that code, and this way you will be able to easily log in into your account in your PC or in your laptop. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.